All right, so today I'm messing around with another free plugin from Akai right here. It's the Sonivox orchestral strings. You probably got this free when you had the Mpc X, or I'm not sure if it came with the live or whatever else like that, but it's kind of old. So I basically messing around with Masada Dre progressions. Just trying to come up with something. So. You know what I mean? So you know what I mean? So let's see. I got a kit, and y'all know I love this bass. I've used this bass way too much. That's from Cycle Kit 5. And these are voices with some like sleigh sounds. And this is piano. Let me bring this up so y'all can see this. Yeah. So the preset is the stage piano 1. You know what I mean? So. And this is another plugin that comes with your Akai products when you for free. It's called the Rise. It's pretty dope. Give you all those type of synthetic rise sounds and stuff like that. Pretty dope. You know what I mean? All right, guys. Peace.